Welcome to Best Quality Reviews.
Top 5 Fully Automatic Espresso Machine. Reviews and Buying Guide. 2025 Ultimate Buying Guide.
Top 1.
Philips 2200 Series Fully Automatic Espresso Machine, Classic Milk Frother, 2 coffee varieties, Intuitive Touch Display, 100% ceramic grinder, AquaClean filter, Aroma seal, black, EP 2220/14. About this item. 2 delicious coffees, espresso or coffee, take your pick. Cappuccino lovers, top your coffee with silky smooth milk froth using our 2-part milk system. Intuitive display, brew your favorite coffee quickly and easily using our user-friendly touch display. Keeps beans fresh, Aroma seal preserves the freshness of your beans so they last for longer. Removable brew group, easily keep the heart of your coffee machine in great shape. Remove, rinse, place back. Descaling alert, get notified when it's time to descale your machine. No guesswork needed.
Top 2.
Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine BES 870 XL, brushed stainless steel. About this item. The Breville Barista Express delivers third-wave specialty coffee at home using the 4 keys formula and is part of the Barista series that offers all-in-one espresso machines with integrated grinder to go from beans to espresso in under 1 minute. Dose control grinding, integrated precision conical burr grinder grinds on demand to deliver the right amount of freshly ground coffee directly into the portafilter for your preferred taste with any roast of bean. Optimal water pressure, low pressure pre-infusion gradually increases pressure at the start and helps ensure all the flavors are drawn out evenly during the extraction for a balanced tasting cup. Precise espresso extraction, digital temperature control, PID, delivers water at precisely the right temperature, ensuring optimal espresso extraction. Manual microfoam milk texturing, the powerful steam wand performance allows you to hand texture microfoam milk that enhances flavor and enables creation of latte art. Espresso machine with grind size dial, simple and intuitive, giving you control over the grind size no matter what type of bean you're grinding. Espresso maker with built-in coffee grinder, innovative grinding cradle allows any at-home barista to grind directly into the espresso portafilter for the perfect espresso. Included, razor dose trimming tool, 54mm stainless steel portafilter, 1 and 2 Cuban pesos single and dual wall filter baskets, coffee scoop, integrated tamper, stainless steel milk jug, cleaning disc, tablets, brush tool, Allen key, water filter and filter holder. Capacity and settings, half a pound bean hopper, 67 ounces water tank, single or double shots, adjustable grind amount and manual override. Warranty, 1 year limited product warranty, power, 1600 watts, voltage, 120 volts.
Top 3.
DeLonghi Magnifica Evo Automatic Espresso and Coffee Machine with Auto Milk Frother, built-in grinder and auto clean function, for latte, cappuccino, Americano, iced coffee, ECAM 29084SB. About this item. 7 one-touch recipes, 7 one-touch or customized coffee drinks, espresso, cappuccino, latte macchiato, iced coffee, hot water, and my latte. Perfect grinding, 13 grind settings means all of your bean varieties are optimally prepared for extraction. The conical burr grinder delivers a precise, consistent dose of freshly ground coffee for all your favorite espresso beverages. Latte crema system, DeLonghi's proprietary technology textures both milk and milk alternatives and can be stored in the fridge to keep milk fresh when not in use. Enjoy iced coffee. Over ice recipe automatically adjusts the dose and brew to create a refreshingly bold and balanced iced coffee. Personalize with My Latte, allows you to personalize and save your own recipes. Easy to clean, removable and dishwasher safe parts for easy cleaning.
Top 4.
Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine, LatteGo milk frother, 5 coffee varieties, intuitive touch display, 100% ceramic grinder, AquaClean filter, my coffee choice, black, EP 3241/54. About this item. 5 aromatic coffees, enjoy your favorite coffees for special moments. Whether you crave an espresso, coffee, Americano, cappuccino, or a latte macchiato, your fully automatic espresso machine delivers a perfect in-cup result with no hassle and in no time. Intuitive touch display, the irresistible taste and aroma of coffee from fresh beans is just one touch away. Our intuitive touch display allows you to easily select your favorite coffee. Perfect temperature and aroma, the aroma extract system intelligently strikes the optimum balance between brewing temperature and aroma extraction. 2 parts, no tubes milk system. Our 2 parts milk system has no tubes or hidden parts and can be cleaned in as little as 15 seconds under tap or in the dishwasher. AquaClean filter, by changing the filter after being prompted by the machine, you will not need to descale your machine for up to 5,000 cups, while enjoying clear and purified water.
Top 5.
Nespresso Vertuo Plus Coffee and Espresso Maker by DeLonghi, Gray. About this item. Single serve coffee maker, single serve coffee or espresso at the touch of a button. Innovative programs and features such as 25 SEC heat up and energy saving automatic shut off. Coffee for every occasion, brew better coffee at home with Nespresso's single serve coffee maker. Drink your coffee bold, mild hot, or iced. Versatile pod coffee maker, brew 4 different cup sizes at the touch of a button, 5 ounces and 8 ounces coffee, single and double espresso. Pour over ice to create your favorite blend of iced coffee and lattes. Sustainability in mind, Nespresso capsules are fully recyclable. Recycle the aluminum capsules through Nespresso's free program. Complimentary gift, each machine includes a complimentary starter set of Nespresso capsules. Capsule assortment may vary from picture. Coffee for every taste, bold or mild, hot or iced, there's a blend for you. Explore all 30+ permanent pods and indulge in special seasonal and limited edition coffees available exclusively through Nespresso. We recycle. Nespresso aluminum pods are fully recyclable and guarantee coffee freshness. We provide different options for recycling your used aluminum coffee pods to fulfill our collective commitment to protecting the environment.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.